Namaste friends, I am Ritesh and today our topic is Lord of the Dance Pose, also known as Natarajasana in Sanskrit or Dancing Shiva. Friends, this asana requires a strong balance, intense back bending and open shoulders to get into this pose. This posture comes into an advanced level standing, balancing, back bend pose. Friends, safety first. So before we get into the practice, it's important to know that women during pregnancy or menstruation should avoid this pose, as too much of heat is generated in the body. At the same time, people with high blood pressure should avoid this pose. Chronic injury to the legs, back and shoulders, avoid. And avoid too much overarching of the back. We need more open in the rib cage, that is the upper part of the body, but not the lower part of the body. So now, before we get into the practice, some preparations. So a tree pose, a low lunge or a downward facing dog would be great before we get into Natarajasana or Dancing Shiva. Friends, now let's get into the pose. So any standing posture that we start always starts with a Tadasana. So once again, standing in Tadasana, crown of the head lengthening, keep your chin parallel, your face muscles are relaxed, your neck is long. Keep your shoulders down. Check that your rib cage is not popping out. It's in line with your pelvis. Now, lengthening it tall. From here, take a right step forward. Now let the weight come on the right leg completely. Now, the toes are still touching, that you're still maintaining a stability. Now I can feel the strength in my ankles, in my thighs, and my hips. So it's a great hip strengthener. Now from here, I flex and I hold it. Fine. Now here I can feel the opening in the chest, the shoulders, the thighs and the groin. So as I move forward, let the arms go in front. Keep my neck and shoulders relaxed. So we don't need a posture where you are doing lifting the shoulders up towards the ears. What I need is the shoulders are down and relaxed. Tall yourself. And remember friends, don't forget to smile. Right? So I get in the pose slowly and gently. I keep my neck and shoulders relaxed. Now friends, if you are comfortable here, please maintain here. You don't have to get into the full expression of the pose. Right? So I hold it here. I keep moving forward. Lengthening, lengthening, lengthening. Hold it. Now friends, don't let the pelvis go out. What I need, keep your pelvis facing in front. Don't make it outside. So once again, tall, lifting it up, holding it, keeping the pelvis square and in front, and try to open the chest. Don't give it too much bending at the back. Keep more opening in the chest region. Else, the compression happens at your lower back, and that is what we don't need. The whole focus is opening of the chest. So it's a great heart opener, it's a great hip opener. Friends, let's do it one more time. Now I did with the left, let's do it with the right. So once again, you start with a Tadasana. Step the left leg forward, tall yourself, keep the hands on the hip, and bend that leg, that is your right leg. Once again, tall yourself. Be comfortable, don't forget to breathe. Keep smiling and enjoying that pose. Open the chest more, not your lower back, so don't compress your lower back. And come back slowly. And enjoy the pose. Feel the relaxation. Friends, it generates too much heat in the body, so just be careful when you practice. It promotes a sense of inner stillness and consciousness. A wonderful pose to lengthen, open the hip flexors, open the chest. Friends, that was your Natarajasana or Dancing Shiva. Friends, if you liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button and also do subscribe. In case you have any suggestions do mention in the comment section below. Namaste.